In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, a straightforward process that shouldn't take more than 5 minutes of your time. As we start, remember that Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is a free and reliable tool used for viewing, printing, and annotating PDF files. It's incredibly handy, and installing it is quite simple. First, to begin the installation process, you'll want to go to your browser and navigate to the official Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. This ensures you're downloading the correct and secure version of the program. To do this, open your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type in Adobe Acrobat Reader Download. You should see a result that takes you directly to Adobe's site. Remember, it's important to download software only from official websites to avoid any security risks or unwanted malware. Once you're on Adobe's download page, you'll see a prominent button labeled Download Acrobat Reader. Go ahead and click on that. By clicking this button, you're initiating the download of the installer file onto your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this download might take a minute or two. After the download is complete, look for the installer file in your download folder. It should be named something like AcroRDRDC exe for Windows or AcroRDRDC DMG for Mac. Open this file to start the installation process. If you're on a Windows system, you might see a security warning pop up. This is normal. Simply click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Once the installer opens, you will be greeted with on-screen instructions to help you through the process. It's quite intuitive. Follow these steps closely. You might need to agree to Adobe's terms and conditions. Feel free to read through them if you like. Then click the Install button to proceed. The installation will now begin. This might take a couple of minutes, so you can sit back and relax while it works its magic. Your computer might notify you again for permission to install. If so, just click Yes to continue. When the installation completes, you'll see a confirmation message. Now it's time to launch Adobe Acrobat Reader for the first time. Simply locate the program icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click to open it. And there you have it. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is now ready to use. Whenever you have a PDF document, you can open it using this software to view, print, or even annotate the files. Take a moment to explore the interface so you can get familiar with the various features it offers. That wraps up our guide on installing Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your new PDF reader.